Bob Vlog. This is Bob Vlog #1.
Exactly.
This better get 17 billion views by tomorrow.
If this does not get that many views, we're not going to do this anymore. Before we start anything, we need to explain what this YouTube channel is. For those of you guys that don't know.
Random nothingness.
Random nothingness. You might have a vlog 1 video, you might have a skit 1 video, and you might have us playing video games 1 video. It doesn't know. It doesn't know.
It doesn't know. The sub goal for this video is at least 4 subscribers.
We need 4 subscribers. So it can't be like your mom, my dad, and your dad.
I will shave my head if we get 100 subscribers by
the end of the year. By the end of 2020, if we can get 100 subscribers, he's going to shave his head.
I'm gonna shave my head.
Alright.
Alright, here. In the video.
Bro, why do you slam on the brakes?
Oh, okay. If I shoot. Well, I think that's the point. See, because the booties stick out. Okay, wait. First of all, I have shoes. They're really tight jeans. The belt that can't even fit. Shit. All right, last Riz fit. Let's get it. Okay, same shoes. Yay, time to go on more moving stairs.
Yeah.
Whoopee! 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi, 11 Mississippi, 12 Mississippi, 13 Mississippi, 14 Mississippi, 16 Mississippi, 17 Mississippi, 18 Mississippi, 19 Mississippi. Enter my lair. We have a Tarai Manipulatus Classic as Parodies. Obviously. People don't understand it. This one? Alright, now it's really, let me spell it out for you. X, okay, E, okay, N, O, N, you know what that spells?
What?
Benjamin. This one doesn't even have a name, so we're gonna name it for itself. It's gonna be named Franklin's Astronaut Sci-Fi Green Moment.
Why not space time?
No.
Oh.
No. You're wrong.
Okay.
Asti is dead? Oh. Goodbye, Asti. I love you.
Aztec?
It's Asti.
Okay.
Oh, obviously, I forgot. Spots and Vooters. Spots and Vooters is actually one of the very first games.
Have you tested for dyslexia? That's just my...
No. Cestipede? Rastan.
I actually think you got that one correct.
What's going on right here? I don't like this.
He's rizzing. Look at his...
He's rizzing.
Look at his face.
He's rizzing. So guys, this is a real shotgun. What the hell? What? Can I kill the woman?
Are you kidding? Are you kidding me? Oh. Are you kidding me?
I shot your mother.
There you go.
Oh crap, that's a freaking bear.
Hit the bear. Hit the bear. Oh yeah. Bro.
Marked him.
Hey, that was pretty good.
Let's see what the final score was.
17,400. Stop, Holly.
80? Is that 80th
Man, I don't want a dog deal. Bitch. Hey, hey, yeah.
Okay. Turn that off.
Ask Roshan.
Big turkey. Look at that stupid donkey. Why is that donkey? Why'd they take some branches to that thing? What the?
What type of cat is that, man?
Bro, can somebody get my cat down from that tree? Bro, look. It's a herd of geese.
It's a herd of geese.
That's a whole lot of geese.
They get them geese up there.
Bro, I might not be no zoologist, but I'm pretty sure that's a dog right there.
That's a dog. That's a dog, I swear. Come here.
We're trained zoologists. Please understand that we are trained zoologists.
Can you tell that fella over there to go get me my dog? Terry, come on, baby.
Come on, Terry, get down from there. There's one massive chipmunk up there. How did it get
That's
up
a
there?
woman, buddy.
What?
Oh no, that's a chipmunk. That's my bad.
Wait a minute, Bill. How did they get them fish on the wall right here? How'd they do that? I'm guaranteed this thing is not supposed to be here. No, not one bit. Not one bit. But they somehow got it up here. Now wait, realistically, if what would our names be if we had these hats and we were country zoologists? I think my name would be like Clyde.
Mine would be Terry.
Tournament series, Bass Pro Shop. Yum. Jeannie LaRue. That didn't sound. That was
Yeah,
not,
it did.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, it did. Does that mean we're underwater?
Wait, is this Bikini Bottom?
I think so.
We gotta go find Mr.
my
Krabs. So, listen. Some people look at this and they're like, this is massive. Like, look at that. That's massive. I mean, come on. Like, this is good too. Like, look at it. Like, okay, yeah, this one might be big, but this one might have like a good personality. That's a water chicken right there.
The land chicken.
No, it's a water chicken. What the heck? They didn't tell me they have javelins in this place. What is this? I've been trying to reach you about your car's extended warranty. Yes, we got all those. Okay, dead guy, yep. All right, more backpacks. We got like a revolver. Obviously, it's a revolver.
Exactly.
Okay, and then we have a flintlock pistol. Like, what are you gonna say? Unhand thee swine. However it works, but you get it. You get the point.
Yeah,
flintlock
I
pistol.
get it. I get it. 100%. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, we need to get this for the videos. How much does this cost?
Where is it? $25.
Really?
Yep, that's what it says right there.
We're getting it.
Are you kidding me? Who are you gonna buy that for again?
We need to play with it when we get home.
It's gonna go on YouTube.
It's for my baby cousin niece.
Oh, okay.
Shotgun.
It's a neutral color. Yeah.
It's not a girl's color.
Yeah.
I don't like My Little Pony. I haven't watched
Yeah, no.
every single episode.
I've seen like the first 3
At least
seasons. It's
42
fine.
times.
Yeah.
Did you say you've seen the first season?
Yeah, they sort of slipped out.
Briefly,
yeah.
skimmed over?
Yeah. How regularly? How regularly is that, by the way?
It's just a pink
okay.
shot. It's just a pink shot.
It's just a pink shotgun.
It's just a pink
If
shot.
there is niece that ends up visiting regularly.
Listen, my niece might not ever visit, so I might need to keep the pink shotgun.
You just, it's the thought that matters, you know what I'm saying?
Might not ever receive the pink shotgun.
Exactly.
Because in the end,
It's the thought that matters.
that's like, why can't a grown male play with
Barbie dolls.
shotgun?
Pink shot, yeah.
Barbie dolls?
It slipped out again.
You trying to
It's
tell me-
just
you
one of
trying
those
to tell me
things
something?
where it just happens, you know, I'm just,
You trying to tell me something?
no.
It's just
It's just a pink shot.
Goodbye.